Have you ever worked in an environment where you've worked for a line manager or on a project with a project lead, and that project lead just controls everything? How do you feel? Disempowered? Not equipped? Demotivated? The art of delegation is not only important to help you fulfill the mission and the vision of the organisation, but it is also a motivator to the team and people around you. If you know how to delegate effectively, people will feel engaged with the organisation and also feel that they are contributing their own talents to something that they want to see achieved. Yet if you keep your delegation minimal, what you'll find is that you are reducing your effectiveness because you are only using your own talent to complete that task. This is an attribute that often I see with toxic leaders. They control everything rather than know how to delegate effectively. There are 7 stages to effective delegation, and I want to quickly talk through them with you right now. Firstly, effective leaders know how to define the task. They are very clear in what the task is that they are delegating. Number 2, set targets and standards. In your discussion when you delegate, it is important that you do set a number of targets and the standards that you are expecting. Often, setting those targets follow as SMART. They are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-bound. Number 3, choose the right person. Have you ever been dumped on or thrown in at the deep end? This is not effective delegation. Effective delegation is knowing the skill set that you have around you and then assigning that task to the right person. Number 4, fully brief your chosen person. Make time with the person that you're delegating. Don't just do it on a quick email. Do not do it in a way which is just quickly run through. Make time to sit down and to discuss what it is that you're expecting and what that person needs to bring to the table. They might also have some solutions how to do it more effectively. Number 5, provide the right resources. There's no point in delegating if you're not going to be willing to also provide the right resources, be it equipment, be it time, or be it a bit of training so that they can do this task if it is a larger project. Number 6, monitor progress and give feedback. Delegation has milestones in place, and it is important that the person you've delegated to is accountable for the task that you've delegated to them. So creating those milestones of feedback is vital so that you do know that the task is getting done to the standard that you expect. Then finally, possibly the most important is trust and let go. Once you delegate, it is not about you staying in the loop at every single time. It is not about you controlling every task and action that the person decides to do. Trust and let go allows the individual you've delegated to use their talent and also be engaged in the task that you've asked them to complete. So there is the 7-stage process of how to effectively delegate. I'll challenge you now to give it a go, maybe try it for 21 days and see what benefits you get from it.